Feeling foggy and struggling to focus? Most people think memory is just luck, but neuroscience says it's a skill you can build. Unlock your hippocampus with this simple trio: exercise for blood flow, 12 minutes of meditation for focus, and quality sleep to lock it all in. Welcome to Biohack Protocol Lab, where we explore the complex architecture of human memory and unlock secrets to your cognitive potential. The human brain is a magnificent machine capable of storing vast amounts of information through intricate pathways of living nerve cells. Dr. Suzuki reveals that memory is not just a static record, but a dynamic process shaped by our daily life experiences. To make information stick, four essential pillars must be activated within your mind: novelty, repetition, association, and powerful emotional resonance triggers. Novelty acts as a spark plug for your brain, forcing neurons to pay closer attention to new and exciting sensory inputs. Repetition serves to strengthen the neural pathways, transforming a difficult task into an effortless habit through consistent and repeated mental practice. Association allows your brain to anchor new knowledge to existing memories, creating a complex web that is much easier to recall. Emotional resonance acts like a highlighter, marking memories as significant enough to be preserved for a much longer period of time. Deep inside the temporal lobe sits the hippocampus, the seahorse-shaped structure responsible for encoding long-term memories into the brain. When an event is emotionally charged, the amygdala signals the hippocampus to prioritize that specific memory above all other mundane experiences. These biological mechanisms explain why we remember our first love or a traumatic event far more vividly than our daily commute. The hippocampus is not merely a vault for the past. It is the engine that allows us to imagine future possibilities. By recombining past experiences in novel ways, your brain simulates potential future outcomes, a process essential for survival and creative thinking. This predictive capability is what defines human intelligence, allowing us to navigate complex social environments and prepare for upcoming daily challenges. Transitioning to physical intervention, aerobic exercise is a direct catalyst for improving the functional capacity of your prefrontal cortex area. Increased blood flow to the brain during movement helps clear out metabolic waste and stimulates the growth of new neural connections. You will notice sharper focus and better memory retention immediately after engaging in consistent aerobic activity during your busy work week. Beyond physical movement, daily meditation acts as a mental reset, significantly lowering your stress levels and enhancing your overall cognitive performance. Just 12 minutes of body scan meditation each day can rewire your brain to respond calmly to stressful and difficult situations. Research indicates that this brief practice reduces the reactivity of your amygdala, preventing you from being hijacked by your emotional impulses. Huberman and Suzuki agree that the most accessible tools to optimize your brain are exercise, consistent meditation, and high-quality sleep. Sleep is the final pillar, acting as the nightly maintenance cycle where your brain solidifies the information learned throughout the day. Without sufficient rest, your hippocampus cannot effectively transfer short-term memories into long-term storage, leading to significant cognitive performance decline. By applying these specific protocols, you take control of your brain's architecture, effectively building a more resilient and capable mental state. Integrate these simple habits into your daily routine to see profound changes in your focus, memory, and your emotional well-being. Your capacity for growth is limitless if you respect the biological needs of your brain and provide it with proper fuel. Understand that every decision you make regarding your lifestyle either builds up or breaks down the neural networks you rely upon. When you align your actions with these neuroscientific principles, you empower yourself to achieve peak mental performance in all life areas. The ability to encode, store, and retrieve information is a skill that you can refine with the right evidence-based strategies. Time is your most valuable resource, and how you manage your cognitive health today determines the quality of your future self. Morning exercise sets the tone for your entire day by flooding your brain with essential neurotransmitters that boost your mood levels. Meditation provides the necessary space to breathe, allowing your mind to detach from the frantic pace of modern life and stress. Treat your brain like a high-performance engine that requires regular tuning through movement, stillness, and the right amount of rest. You will find that your ability to solve complex problems increases significantly as you prioritize these three fundamental pillars of wellness. Creative breakthroughs often happen when the brain is well rested and fueled by the calm state induced by regular meditation practices. Remember that the hippocampus is the anchor of your identity, storing the stories that make you who you are as individuals. Deep sleep is when the brain cleanses itself of toxins, ensuring that you wake up with a clear mind every single morning. Every thought you have is a physical manifestation of these tiny electrical signals traversing the vast network within your own skull. Yoga and gentle movement can also contribute to your cognitive health by fostering a connection between your body and your mind. Balancing your neurotransmitters is key to maintaining a positive outlook and staying motivated throughout the challenges of your daily working life. Nature provides a perfect setting for your mind to decompress, reducing the cognitive load caused by constant exposure to digital screens. When you focus, you are actively choosing which information to encode into your long-term memory banks for future use cases. We are living in an era where understanding your own brain is the ultimate advantage for achieving success in any field. You possess the tools to change your brain structure, and this process starts with the small, intentional choices you make daily. There is a whole universe of potential inside your head, waiting to be tapped into through consistent practice and scientific discipline. Reflecting on your day helps to consolidate memories and provides clarity on what habits are serving you well in your journey. Never underestimate the importance of basic hydration, as even mild dehydration can significantly impair your ability to focus and process information. A holistic approach to brain health considers your physical, emotional, and cognitive needs as one integrated system working for your benefit. Confidence grows when you know that you are actively taking care of your mental well-being through proven and reliable methods. Synthesizing information is the hallmark of high-level thinking, and it requires a rested brain that is free from constant stress. The goal of our research is to translate complex neuroscience findings into actionable steps that anyone can apply in their life. Strategy games are excellent for training your brain to recognize patterns and plan for future outcomes, just like the hippocampus does. Like a tree, your neural networks need nourishment and time to grow deep roots that can withstand the storms of stress. Music can be a powerful tool to induce flow states, helping you concentrate on your tasks without getting distracted by noises. Blue light is a signal for alertness, so manage your light exposure in the evening to protect your natural sleep patterns effectively. Exposing yourself to natural light early in the day is essential for regulating your internal clock and improving your energy levels. Never stop learning, because the process of acquiring new skills keeps your brain plastic and capable of adapting to new environments. Artistic endeavors allow you to express your inner world and provide a unique way to exercise your cognitive and emotional pathways. Harmony between your physical actions and your mental processes is the ultimate key to living a fulfilling and highly productive life. Socializing while exercising provides a double benefit for your brain, combining the power of movement with the joy of human connection. Quick thinking is a result of well-maintained neural pathways that have been strengthened by consistent practice and adequate recovery time. Focus on the small wins, because every single day you improve your brain health, you are investing in a better future. Gain a new perspective by stepping back from your daily routine and observing how your habits impact your overall mental clarity. Your brain is a miraculous structure that deserves your attention, care, and the commitment to live a healthier and wiser life. Nutrition also plays a critical role in brain health, providing the essential building blocks for your neurons to function optimally daily. Living in balance with nature and your own biology is the most sustainable way to maintain high levels of cognitive performance. These principles are not just for scientists. They are for anyone willing to take the steps toward a better, sharper mind. Happiness is often a byproduct of a healthy brain that is free from the fog of chronic stress and constant exhaustion. Emotional intelligence is just as important as cognitive speed, and both are improved by the practice of regular daily meditation sessions. Deep work requires your full concentration, so eliminate distractions and create an environment that supports your focus and your cognitive goals. Focus is a muscle that you can train, so keep pushing your limits and watch as your cognitive capabilities continue to expand. Keep challenging yourself to apply these methods, and you will eventually see the transformation you desire in your daily life performance. The journey to a better brain is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient with yourself and celebrate small improvements daily. Start your day with intention and movement, because these small actions build the foundation for a life of high cognitive performance. Every connection you make today is a building block for the person you are becoming. So choose your daily activities with care. Collaboration is more effective when everyone involved is operating at their peak, which is why these protocols are essential for teams. You have the power to shape your own future by taking charge of the biological machine that drives your every single decision. Value your mental energy and protect it from unnecessary stress, for it is the most precious asset you possess in this life. Restorative sleep is the cornerstone of all your cognitive achievements, so make it a non-negotiable part of your daily health routine. Growth happens in the quiet moments, so allow yourself the time to pause, reflect, and cultivate the garden of your own mind. Your capacity for change is truly remarkable, and it is never too late to start implementing these powerful and life-changing protocols. Take these insights and apply them starting today, because a better, sharper, and more capable version of yourself is waiting to emerge. Consistency is the secret ingredient that turns simple habits into long-term successes, so stay committed to your goals every single day. The possibilities for your life are endless when your brain is functioning at its absolute best, free from the weight of stress. Thank you for joining us at Biohack Protocol Lab. Please subscribe for more science-based insights to help optimize your daily life.